Hey, welcome back. Now that you have worked on the product goal canvas yourself, let's deep dive into the product goal canvas and let me share some tips and tricks with you on how you can improve the work that you do with the product goal canvas. The very first thing is to never start with the product goal itself. Although it's at the top of our product goal canvas, it is the thing that we do at the end. We always start with the things that we already know, which are the customer segments, the problems, and the solutions. Those things you have worked on as part of the empathy map canvas and especially the value proposition canvas. So you can easily take those insights and copy and paste them into your product goal canvas. After that, focus on the right piece of the product goal canvas, being the business goals that you want to achieve. This is all about creating mission alignment, strategic fit, revenue contribution, or identifying other types of value that your product and service will ultimately deliver. After having covered the customer group's problem solution and also the business value that you want to create, you can easily state the product goal itself. For that, use the simple template that we provided. Remember, it might not be the most beautiful one, but good enough is good enough. Two more recommendations that I have for you. Number one, never create the product goal by yourself alone. You might be responsible for it as a product owner, but this does not mean that you have to do it all by yourself. Involve other people, be it the developers in your team, be it your stakeholders, maybe even customers. The great thing is that not only do you invite and get their perspective, but also along the way, you already start creating a shared understanding. And the final point, very similar to the previous tools that we had, is that the product goal is never set in stone. I love one quote from Jeff Bezos where he says, "Be stubborn on the vision or goal and flexible on the detail." Stubborn does not mean set in stone. We try to create this goal or this vision, but if we learn that there might be adjustments to make, we of course do them. And those adjustments are also reflected in our product goal. To summarize, there are 5 things to keep in mind. First of all, never start with the goal itself, but start with the things that you already know. Second, once you have put in the things that you already know, move to the business goals that you want to achieve and make a clear connection to your mission, strategy, and revenue proposition. Only then move to the goal itself and use the simple templates that we have provided or others share on the internet. And the final 2 points are about not creating it alone, as you miss out on other people's perspective and the opportunity to create a shared understanding, and never consider it as set in stone. Be stubborn on the goal and flexible on the details. Stubborn not meaning set in stone. In our next videos, I will share 3 examples of product goals which we created and facilitated, being the product goal of a truck, our Agile Academy, and these online courses. I'll see you there.